Once upon a time in the magical kingdom of Spiceland, there lived a clever and adventurous young girl named Princess Pepper. She had bright red hair, sparkling green eyes, and a heart full of curiosity. Princess Pepper loved exploring the enchanted forests around the castle, and always found herself in the middle of thrilling escapades. One sunny afternoon, as Princess Pepper was picking wildflowers near the Mystic River, she heard a strange, hiccuping sound coming from the nearby dragon's lair. She tiptoed closer and peeked inside. To her astonishment, there was the kingdom's friendly dragon, Draco, hiccuping uncontrollably. Each hiccup sent tiny puffs of smoke and harmless sparks into the air. Princess Pepper quickly approached Draco and asked, "Draco, whatever is the matter?" Draco looked at her with big sad eyes and said, "Oh, Princess Pepper, I seem to have the most dreadful case of hiccups. I can't make them go away, and they're causing quite a commotion." Princess Pepper thought for a moment and then exclaimed, "I know. We shall find a way to cure your hiccups, Draco." The two friends set off on a quest to cure Draco's hiccups. They first visited the wise old owl, who lived in the tallest tree in the forest. The wise old owl suggested they try drinking water upside down. Draco tried it, but his hiccups only got louder. Next, they went to see the silly squirrel, who was known for his funny antics.